Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Absolutely Shaw. Welcome to my channel. And by today's title, you know that I am going to share with you my April Boxycharm box. So if you want to see what type of goodies I received this month, then stick around, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that each and every time I drop a new video, you will be the first to be notified. And without further ado, let's see what I got this month. All right, so my dog Bruno is making a cameo appearance. He needs to get groomed. I know, don't talk about him because I go hard for this dog, okay? Anyway, so if you're unfamiliar with Boxycharm, it's a monthly subscription box. I pay roughly $26, $27 a month. They send me full-size items from various different beauty brands that are out on the market today. And it's a great way to just test and try and see what's out there. Some products you end up falling in love with and you become a fave of. So if you want to test out different beauty brands, makeup brands that are out there, I think Boxycharm is an excellent way for you to test the waters and see what you like. All right, so this is my April box. Usually with each box, you get a postcard like this. And so this one says Boxycharm Sweet Treats. On the back of it, it lists all of the items that are in your box, as well as the retail value, what it's used for. So I'll be referring to this as I pull out each item. I'll also have it across the screen as to what each item is. Excuse me. So let's see. So I'm going to put this right here so I can just quickly reach it. All right. So the very first thing that is on top is, this is by Aurora, and it's an intensively precise eyeliner. The color is Espresso. And this is what the tip of it looks like. And so this is, again, an eyeliner. So let's see what the retail value of this. So the Aurora eyeliner pen is retail value at $11.99. So Aurora Espresso, $11.99. So that's item number one. And I have Icy Sherbet Primer. This is by Touch and Soul, and it's a primer. So it says silicone-free primer that smooths skin texture, gives you silky and fine-tuned finish. Fresh sherbet-like texture smoothly glides with rich hydration and an instant cool-down effect. So it says, before applying foundation, take an even amount and apply a thin layer across the entire surface of the face. So this is what the packaging looks like. I think it's so cute. I like anything pink, I swear. And then let's open it. And let's have a look. If I could get it open. Oh, there we go. Of course I have to smell everything. Ooh, look at that. So when you open it, it has like that. Oh, it smells really good. And this is what it looks like. So it's like an icy sherbet primer. I have to use this. So let's see what the retail value of this is. So the retail value of the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer is $32. So this retail value is $32. And that was my second item. So let's keep it moving. My third item is Natasha Denona Ayana. This is a 5 eyeshadow palette. Let's take it out so we can actually see what it is. Uh-oh, I think I just shook it up a lot. And I have eyeshadow everywhere. Sorry about that. Anywho, so these are the colors, which I think is super, super pretty. So these are like neutral colors. I think they're pretty. Some golds in there. Okay, so the retail value of this is $48. So this eyeshadow palette is $48 is the retail value of that. And that is my third full-size item. So again, I don't know if I mentioned it already, but Boxycharm sends you full-size items. The next one I have is Pluck It. It's a 2-piece tweezers. And this is what they look like. So I think it's really, really cute. It's a tweezer set. And the retail value of this 2-piece tweezer set is $18. So $18 for this. So that is my fourth item. And my very last fifth item is from Dragun Beauty. And let's see. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, it's a color corrector. So Dragun Beauty color corrector, green is the color that I have. And this is what it looks like. Oops, I dropped something. This is what it looks like. And this is what the applicator tip looks like. And so it's a color corrector. And let me see what it says here. Yeah, so it says shake well before use, apply to areas you want to correct and neutralize, blend, and then follow with foundation or concealer. So the retail value of the Dragun Beauty Dragon Fire color corrector is 25 items. So those are all the items that I received this month. So I received 1, 2, 3, this is the eyeshadow palette, 4, and 5. So I received 5 full-size items this month in my Boxycharm April box. So if you liked any of the items that I showed you and shared with you, leave a comment below. Let's see what else. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And I thank you so much for taking the time out in your day to chill with me for a few minutes to see what goodies I got in my Boxycharm box. So thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my very next video. Bye.